What's up, guys? Welcome to another edition of Ben's Study Corner, where I'm literally standing in a corner of my room filming a video for my schoolwork that happens to be really boring to you guys, but I think you will enjoy it this time.
No, they won't. You made like 4 or 5 videos. They still think it's boring. Stop it.
What are you talking about? They love my videos, right, guys?
You see? Your videos suck.
Anyways, I already made this video, so too late. So, today we'll be taking a look at the science department, more specifically chemistry, and more specifically, you can say biology too, but more specifically, the molecules of life. And the given topic I was destined to have today was hemoglobin. You can say hemoglobin, hemoglobin. Anyways, let's move right into this video. So hemoglobin is notoriously responsible for the carrying oxygen around the body in both invertebrates and vertebrates organisms. It does this by gathering the, first of all, oxygen from the respiratory organs and also the glucose from the digestive food from our digestive system, combine the two to perform a anaerobic respiration. They do this to produce this energy, and then the energy goes back into the blood to be spread out to other tissues. This is called metabolism. Let's now take a look at the hemoglobin molecule and its structure. So hemoglobin exists in, this mess. It exists in red blood cell. Actually, not one. Millions of them exist in the red blood cell. So it's, when you zoomed into it, it's this kind of mess. Basically 4 parts linked to each other with these polypeptides in between the molecule. In these hemoglobin molecule, you can split it into 4 parts, and you can call them quarters, which make this a quaternary structure. And each part has this rectangular thing called the heme group, so you can see right there the blue thing. And in the heme groups, there's a tiny little dot. It's actually the iron, and the iron of these hemoglobin molecule has the ability to essentially attract oxygen. So when it binds with an oxygen, through the respiratory organs passed on to it, oxygen actually binds with the irons in the hemoglobin. It is called oxyhemoglobin, while when it's not, it is called deoxyhemoglobin. So we just take a look at the structure. That's the structure of the hemoglobin in general, but then here's a picture of the hemes, just to confuse the hell out of you. The heme is called phe protoporphyrin 9. Now let's take a look at the properties. Hemoglobin is a protein found in all red blood cells. So its basic job is to bind with oxygen in the lungs, the respiratory organs, to carry it around the body, do respiration, as I said before, to maintain our source of life. The iron atom is a portion of the hemoglobin molecule that gives the entire molecule oxygen attracting properties. So when oxygen actually binds with the hemoglobin molecule, it actually changes color. So hemoglobin are made up of proteins called alpha, beta, and gamma. While the gamma type is not that particularly popular, there are 2 types of hemoglobin. First type is called hemoglobin A, where it's most popular in all adults' body, and it contains of alpha and beta protein. While the hemoglobin F only exists in fetus during pregnancy, consists of protein alpha and protein gamma. So hemoglobin in an adult body contains a total of 800 grams of hemoglobin. This is a total of about 280 million molecules in our body. Like, how does it fit 280 million of anything in my body? I don't get it. The theory of the world said that the discovery of hemoglobin was found in 1840 by Sir Friedrich Field. So the final fact today is, drumroll please, is that, hemoglobin is sort of like an X-Men. It can change its shape. And the purpose of changing its shape is so it can be able to efficiently transport oxygen. Wow. One final thing I want to talk about today is hemoglobin is necessary to the vital functions of our life. Everyone would die, without it. Hemoglobin binds with oxygen to the lung, carries oxygen all around our body, and do the amazing respiration that we all know and love to keep us alive today. And remember, kids, vampire's favorite protein is hemoglobin. You know what? I think I did alright today.
Yeah, me too. It was impressive what you did today. Let's just say it was lit.
Like, are you being serious?
Of course not, you suck! Boo!
Ugh.